Hello, and welcome to this review and practice video for style, tone, and mood. Style. Style is the way an author writes. It reveals an author's personality and voice. So authors could say something similar or the same type of thing, but the word choice they use, the way that they put the sentences together, all of those things are going to reveal something about the personality, the attitude, and the voice of that author. So style includes diction. This is word choice or vocabulary. You can see that all of these words are essentially synonyms of one another. They all have similar dictionary definitions. However, the connotation of each word is a little bit different. Style also includes syntax, sentence structure, and the arrangement of words. The way that a sentence is put together, even if it is saying the same thing as another sentence, it can reveal a lot about the author's background, such as cultural differences, educational background, social or economic status. Style also includes figurative language. This is non-literal language like imagery. Hyperbole, allegory, idioms, all of those are examples of different types of figurative language, and there's so many more. Find your style. Which sentence most closely matches your writing style? Formal. No slang or colloquial expressions. It is not conversational. Formal writing in style is academic. No contractions. No slang. Accurate spelling, no typos, no shorthand. Correct punctuation. Avoid first person. Use third person. Sentence variety. Complex sentences. I'm going to do my homework. My homework will be completed in the near future. This is different from informal. Conversational, may use slang or contractions, easy to read, any point of view, and simple sentences. I'll do my homework later. I'm going to do my homework later. You can find style in art, like abstract, impressionist, realism, manga, digital, choose two colors that best express your personality. You can find style in music, R&B, gospel, Christian, country, K-pop, rap, pop, choose a song that best matches your personality. Tone. Attitude is everything. An author's attitude about his or her subject, about the reader, you. Choose at least two words or phrases that give away the tone. Did you get it? Check out the music video for this song. How do the singer's nonverbal cues help you to better understand the tone? It's easier to identify a person's tone when he or she is speaking. Inflections in the voice, the way a person says something, nuances in the voice. Nonverbal body language, the way a person moves or looks while speaking. Guess that tone. The reading assignment is due today. The reading assignment is due today? The reading assignment is due today. The reading assignment is due today. Have you ever sent a text or email that was taken the wrong way? Have you ever taken one the wrong way? Have you ever included an emoji or LOL so someone knew you were joking? That's tone. In writing, the tone can be identified by paying attention to the author's choice of words, the style. Connotations, the feelings associated with a word, versus denotations, the dictionary definition of a word. Remember, everything an author does is on purpose. Connotations. Synonyms, words that have similar denotative dictionary meanings, may have different connotative meanings. Remember, everything an author does is on purpose. Larry is cheap. Larry is frugal. Larry is thrifty. Larry is prudent. All of these words have similar dictionary definitions. They're all synonyms. However, the connotations are very different. Sometimes the connotation is positive, sometimes it's negative. Cheap, frugal, thrifty, and prudent are synonyms that mean Larry doesn't like to spend his money. However, the words reveal this characteristic to be positive or negative, depending on how the author wants the reader to react to Larry's concern for cash. The tone can be positive or negative, sincere or deceitful. Guess that tone. She rose from her chair when I came in and exclaimed with a smile, "Wow, nice outfit." She gave me one look and said with a short laugh, "Yeah, right, nice outfit." She glanced at me quickly and muttered reluctantly, yeah, nice outfit." She looked at me incredulously and said, "Ew, nice outfit." She rose from her chair when I came in and exclaimed with a smile, "Wow, nice outfit." This is a sincere tone. Rose, exclaimed with a smile, and wow are all words that have positive connotations and show sincerity. She gave me one look, short laugh, "Yeah, right." This is sarcastic. Glanced at me quickly and muttered reluctantly, yeah." This shows she's jealous. Envy. Incredulously, "Ew." That's really insulting. So you can see that all of these phrases are essentially saying the same thing, but the tone is very different. It depends on the movement of the character, whether she rose, gave one look, glanced quickly, or was incredulous. You can see words like, "Wow," "Yeah, right," "yeah," and "ew" all have very different connotations. They bring out a different tone or attitude in the writer. Mood. Unlike tone, mood is how the reader feels. Keep in mind, the author wants you to feel this way. The setting will help to create the mood. A reader's background, personal experiences, and beliefs are going to have an impact on the mood, the way that you take the information that you're getting. Let's look at some examples in film. The Shining is a 1980 classic horror film. What mood is created in this trailer? What mood is created in this trailer? Dumb and Dumber is a 1994 comedy film. What mood is created in this trailer? What mood is created in this trailer? Frozen is a 2013 Disney film. What mood is created in this trailer? What mood is created in this trailer? Let's review. Style, the way an author writes. Tone, the author's attitude about the subject and/or reader. Mood, the way the reader feels. Do you have any questions? Check with your teacher.